What's going on, YouTube? So, just took delivery of a pressure washer from Amazon. Literally got here in a day. So I'm pretty excited. I went with a Sunjo pressure washer. It's electric. Got some pretty solid reviews. It's actually the new one. The beauty of Amazon is you can go online and find deals. So like, this is like, I think close to maybe $180 if I was at Home Depot or Lowe's. Found a coupon and was able to acquire one for $120 on Amazon with next day shipping. And I picked up, struggling here, a couple of other things from Amazon. So I'm pretty excited. Y'all didn't just see that. Those are dirty towels, so I'm not using those. But I got some new towels. I got a mitt, some Adams polish for my car, some wheel cleaner, and a foam cannon to use with my pressure washer. So I'm about to get this all hooked up and wash my car because I haven't washed it since I've lived here. So if Brandon is watching, you didn't lie. That means it's been about a solid 30-something days. It's embarrassing. But part of that's because all of the car washes here in Texas are like self or drive-through. One, I'm not driving my car through a car wash. Two, I can't drive my car through the car wash because of my intake in the front. So I was left with no options, and I just moved in and didn't have the setup, a hose or anything to be able to do a self-wash. So that's my story, and I'm sticking with it. All right, so let's get this baby unpacked. I wanted to buy a gas one, but because I haven't really learned the art of washing the car, I know it sounds easier than I guess it is, but after being around people like Matt at Obsessed Garage and Brandon, you know, there's a certain science to this, and I figured let me start off small, see if I'm really gonna take this seriously. Start off with a simple power washer, and then if I like it a lot, then I'll try and buy, you know, some better equipment over time. But I will say I'm never gonna be no detailing mega freak buff like the guys out there. I already know I don't have that same level of compassion for that. So, did you know fact, Sunjo becomes Snow Joe in winter to provide you with smart solutions for outdoor chores. So basically, they are saying they probably make snow blowers. And it comes with a 2-year warranty, and I bought a little extra warranty, which was another year, so I have a 3-year warranty on this, just because with it being electric, and then I got it so cheap, I'm like, let me just get the extra warranty. Came packaged pretty well, so no complaints there. I'm pretty sure this was a customer return one, which I think they reached out and told me, which is why I was also able to get some additional deal on it with the coupon I found. So it's not packaged as it would have been packaged new, but it does have all the parts. I mean, frickin' A, guys. I love Amazon. I really do. Amazon is the revolution. And that's probably why Jeff Bezos is the richest man on Forbes now at $125 billion. I mean, frickin' crazy. This guy is a genius. Guess there's really no way for me to be 100% certain I have all the parts. I'm gonna do some research real quick. just to be sure on that. Love the standardized color coding for the different nozzles, instructions and everything. So I'm gonna take a quick look to see if I got everything, and then sort of get to it. But that's the pressure washer. Pretty cool. Has a thing so I can wrap the hose up, which is a lot smaller than I thought it'd be. So I guess that's how that works really well. And a very long extension cord. So that's also super awesome to be able to get it cracking out there here soon. So first thing I want to point out, as you can see even from me squinting, it's sunny. Which, as you guys know, washing the car in direct sunlight is a little pain in the ass. As you guys saw probably in one of the videos about the house, my neighbor's driveway is a little further back, so I have it tucked as close as I can. All in all, it is in the sun, and so I gotta move quick. I did just buy the Canon accessory that came with the Sunjo SPX. I'm not an expert in these, but feels like a sturdy product, looks like a decent bottle, and obviously it works with no worries with that, since I didn't want to get something and find out it didn't work. So gonna use the Adams car shampoo. I'm pretty sure this is not bad on matte wraps because it doesn't have any of those chemicals and waxes found in some of the Meguiar's products. That, and people swear by Adams. People also swear by the Sonax, as I already pointed both of these products out earlier. Gonna test that out. And then got my 2 wheel brushes and my mitt. So save you guys the trouble, my battery's low. I'm gonna quickly set this all up and get it prepped so I can do a quick rinse down on the tires and then spray those down and get to working on that. I'm gonna use the same methods I've learned from Brandon. So shout out to Brandon for obviously teaching me this before I took off, knowing that at that time I didn't know I was gonna leave. As well, I went back and watched quickly your video. I always appreciate getting some easy content on how to wash a car. I give some tips on how to wash the car effectively, because I definitely want to do a better job at that. And I keep saying that, but you know, it's all a mental thing. I am gonna try in 2018 to stay true to my word so that I can, you know, become a better person in everything that I do.
Run that back turbo. Baby, sold out next, cash every day. I got you a mace, a lot of blue rays. This cheat on my pet, the condo a cage. Addicted to sex, I gotta get laid. My jacket off white, don't mean that it's beige. I clean up real nice, I don't got a maid. Her ape in the night, I'm still rocking beige. Live on paradise, I don't see the shade. Know the back end, I'm back on the road. Know the protect, paid off her show. Dripping this rough, more this V-long. Hoes by the pound, I'm never alone. Sleep on the lair, come on, they go.
Alright, so I got the wheels all, you know, watered down so I can apply the Sonax, and then after I apply the Sonax, I will scrub down and do that process that I learned, and from there start with foaming the car up.
Niggas try to suck the drip like a sponge. Hatred's contagious, I keep me a gun. I'm focused on making that M in a month. Baby order 20,001. Walking in by, I'm not asking.
Like I said, you can see the red working through, trying to do its magic.
Cash every day, I got you a mace. A lot of blue rays, bitch cheat on my pet. The condo a cage, addicted to sex. I gotta get laid. My jacket off white, don't mean that it's beige. I clean up real nice, I don't got a maid. Her ape in the night, I'm still rocking beige. Live on paradise, I don't see the shade.
Me and Young gone back at it again. We just left New York, double dating with twins. I just bought a Wraith, I retired the Benz. I fired my bitch and I hired a friend. I see all the hate through these Cartier lens. Every 2 months tryna put up a M. My dog caught a body, they got it on film. He still rocking Gucci watches in the pen. Take a trip around the globe, then we do it again. Got him watching my drip, guess I'm setting the trend. Louis backpack, hit a jet and I'm gone. I don't post what I do, cause these niggas be clones. See these diamonds, they hitting these VVS stones. Got a championship ring, I just brought it home. If in this plastic, the bullets like pellets. This your Vinci jacket, this ain't Pella Pellet. Sold out dates, you know I don't play. The last 8 months straight, got no time for breaks. On they neck till it break, ain't pressing no brakes. I got on 2 watches, I still coming late. It feel like my birthday, I'm getting this cake. I pop like I got it, I'm holding my weight. I control the projects, I'm pushing his weight. I'm sipping his scissor, I pull me a 8.
Sold out licks, cash every day. I got you a mace, a lot of blue rays. Bitch cheat on my pet, the condo a cage. Addicted to sex, I gotta get laid. My jacket off white, don't mean that it's beige. I clean up real nice, I don't got a maid. Her ape in the night, I'm still rocking beige. Live on paradise, I don't see the shade.
So in all honesty, I was a little bit disappointed with the foam cannon. I think more so it just didn't foam like that awesome time it foamed when I did it back in Columbus. It might be a combination of things for why it didn't get as foamy. But all in all, it's effective. So really no complaints there. I'm gonna save the time here and rinse real fast and then come back for the dry off. All right, y'all, so I just finished up washing it. I'm about to pull it into the garage so I can spray it down with some protection and then pull it into the garage so I can have it out of the sun when I dry it down. Got it in the garage. Let's commence dry. I think she cleaned up pretty well. Out catching a couple shots after getting it all cleaned up for tomorrow. She's definitely shining better than she's shined in a while. I felt so bad after getting it clean. It looks so freaking gorgeous right now. So yeah, super dope. What you're seeing here is all the phases of my neighborhood to come. It's so hard to tell just how vast this is, but like I'm a good like 3 miles that way, and there's a good 4 or 5 miles this way, 4 to 5 miles that way. So this is gonna be a huge community when it's all said and done. But yeah, that's about to conclude today. Just enjoying a little fun this weekend. It's warm, as you can see. Tank topping and got the car all clean, so can't argue with that at all.